So in this video is especially for 2021 aspirants, but it is applicable for 2022 aspirants also. If you have not given mock test, your preparation is not started. Not given mock test, that means not started preparing for NEET. Why am I saying this? Without writing mock test, you don't know your current level. Your level is at 200, 300, 400, 500. You don't know till the time you have written the mock test. Ultimately, NEET exam is about 180 questions, 180 minutes. You need to write a mock test and figure out where you stand. Second thing, without knowing your current level, you don't know where to focus. Which chapters are weak, which chapters are strong, where you need to give extra time. You will not know that till the time you have written the mock test. But obviously the challenge is you are scared of writing mock test. You are scared. I was scared when I was preparing for NEET exam. That is okay. But we have to take the first step. We have to take the first step, because ultimately the reality is, if you are not writing tests, if you go to NEET exam without writing tests, you are going to prepare for one more year. That is the reality. So what I am saying is, you will write mock test. Before mock test, you would have done two things. If you have to write the mock test properly, you have completed the syllabus of the test, completed the syllabus of the test, you have practiced questions, you have watched videos, you have taken notes, and you have done revision so that you have not forgotten anything. Students, remember, if you score well in mock test and you see your score improving, everything will fall in place, you will develop confidence, and ultimately your biggest friend in NEET preparation is self-confidence. And you can develop self-confidence only out of writing mock tests and seeing your score improve, seeing what areas you are weak in, working on those areas. That is how you will improve yourself. A lot of effort on our side right now is in helping you. This you are able to do with whatever coaching, or if you have joined our full course, right? This you have been doing, syllabus completion. A lot of our focus is on this revision thing. That is why we have released this short duration revision course. You have completed the chapter human reproduction, and after that you are not sure about menstrual cycle. You go to the video of Dr. N.K. Sharma, watch just the menstrual cycle portion, you will feel comfortable. But the revision has to be very, very strong. If you are going to write mock tests on Sunday, stop your syllabus completion activities now, revise for Sunday's mock test so that you can score well and you develop confidence in yourself. If you are not ready to write tests on Sunday, you are in class 12th, you are preparing for your board exam, focus on the test that is coming on 31st January. In the link of the video description, I have provided a link in the video description where the test series link is there. Go there and you will find out the syllabus of the test. 31st January test, class 12 chapters are going to come. Commit yourself in the comment section of the video that you will give that test if you are in class 12. But please guys, if you are running away from tests, you will end up in NEET exam and you will not be able to perform because the pressure is going to crush you. Please understand this. So do very good revision before the mock test. Go through your bookmarks, watch videos of short duration revision course, whichever chapter you want to revise quickly because you are uncomfortable with it. Go through your flashcards. There are a lot of things available on neetprep.com, but ultimately you have to write the mock test. You have to stop worrying about it and you have to take the first step. If you do it, you would be successful. Ultimately, it comes down to whether you are improving your performance in mock test. Please understand this, students. Tell me in the comment section. I want promise from you. If you are planning to write test on Sunday, promise that you will write it, not run away. If you are planning to write test on 31st January, promise you are going to write it on 31st January. This is the promise I need in the comment section of the video. Again, I am saying, if you have not given the mock test, you have not started preparing for NEET, it is a tough exam. 16 lakh students wrote the exam in 2020 and only 40,000 seats are there. Please don't play with your preparation. Start writing mock tests right now, students.